Hey there, love detectives. Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today, we're cracking the code on something every man wants to know: how to unlock a woman's heart. Forget cheesy pickup lines and forced conversations. We're diving into the fascinating world of psychological triggers that can spark genuine connection. Now, these aren't mind control tactics. We're talking about subtle cues that can build attraction and understanding. So, grab your magnifying glass, because we're about to unveil 7 psychological triggers that might surprise you. Trigger number 1, the confidence catalyst. Confidence is a universal aphrodisiac. When a man is comfortable in his own skin, it radiates outward. It shows her you're reliable, capable, and someone who takes charge. But confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about self-assuredness and believing in your own worth. Here's the key. Confidence is built, not born. Take pride in your accomplishments, big or small. Develop your skills and knowledge in areas you find interesting. Stand tall, maintain good eye contact, and speak clearly. The more confident you become in yourself, the more naturally it will shine through in your interactions with others. Trigger number 2, the passion project. Women are drawn to men with passion. It's not just about having a job. It's about having something that ignites your soul. Whether it's music, art, or volunteering, your passion shows her you're driven and have a zest for life. But passion isn't just about showing off your skills. Talk about the things that truly excite you. Share your goals and aspirations related to your passion project. When you speak with enthusiasm, it becomes contagious and creates a sense of shared excitement. Trigger number 3, the mystery magnet. A little mystery can be a powerful tool. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Let her ask questions. Discover your interests gradually. This creates intrigue and keeps the conversation flowing. But there's a fine line between mystery and aloofness. Be open and engaged in the conversation, but leave a little room for her to learn more about you over time. This keeps the spark alive and encourages her to invest her energy in getting to know you better. Trigger number 4, the emotional EQ. Edge. Emotional intelligence is a game changer. It's about understanding your own emotions and being able to connect with hers. Be a good listener, validate her feelings, and show empathy. This creates a safe space for her to open up. But emotional intelligence isn't just about listening passively. Pay attention to her nonverbal cues as well as her words. Ask clarifying questions and show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. By demonstrating your emotional intelligence, you show her you're someone she can trust and rely on. Trigger number 5, the chivalry champion. Chivalry isn't dead. Small gestures of kindness go a long way. Offer her your jacket, pull out her chair, or simply offer to help with a task. It shows her you respect her and value her well-being. But chivalry doesn't have to be outdated or one-sided. Be mindful of her comfort level and offer help in a way that feels genuine. Modern chivalry is about respect, kindness, and consideration, not outdated formalities. Trigger number 6, the mirrored connection. Mirroring is a subconscious way to build rapport. Subtly mirror her body language, like posture or speech patterns. This creates a sense of connection and makes her feel comfortable around you, but be careful not to overdo it. Mirroring should be subtle and natural. The goal is to create a sense of connection, not to appear like you're copying her every move. Trigger number 7, the laughter link. Laughter is the best medicine, and it's a powerful trigger for connection. Share funny stories, be playful, and show your sense of humor. When you make her laugh, you create positive emotions and build a strong bond. But remember, humor is subjective. Pay attention to what makes her laugh and avoid jokes that might be offensive or insensitive. The goal is to create a shared sense of humor, not to become her personal comedian. Bonus trigger, the power of active listening. We mentioned listening as part of emotional intelligence, but active listening deserves its own spotlight. This means truly paying attention to what she's saying, both verbally and non-verbally. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and ask follow-up questions to show you're engaged. Active listening shows her you're interested in getting to know her on a deeper level and makes her feel valued and understood. Remember, these triggers are just tools. The key is to be genuine and authentic. By understanding these psychological cues, you can build deeper connections and unlock the door to a woman's heart. But don't manipulate or force these triggers. Let them flow naturally from your genuine personality and interest in her. Now get out there, love detectives, and put these tips to the test. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing content on relationships and human behavior. Until next time, stay curious, stay mindful, and happy sleuthing.